Hi, I'm Sean Gannon, and this is Minute Math, and today we're learning about the Fundamental Theorem of Calculus.
Minute Math, when you need help you use Minute Math.
We're given this problem right here, the integral from 0 to 3 of our function, negative x to the third power plus 3x squared minus 2 dx. And we have to evaluate this definite integral. Now, our first thing is we want to find the integral, really, of our function here. So, the integral of negative x to the third power is a negative x to the fourth over 4. Plus, the integral of 3x squared is just x to the third power. From there, the integral of 2, or minus 2, is a minus 2x. And instead of doing our plus c, we have the symbol a to b right here. So saying we're taking the integral from a to b. What that is telling us is that, well, this is our integral right here, the capital F. It's going to be an f of, well, not a to b. See, I got ahead of myself there. If you caught that, let me know. If you're confused, I'm sorry. Not just a to b, but our a value being 0, b value being 3. 0 to 3. And so that's going to be f of 3 minus an f of 0. Okay? So now let's go plug that in. What is my f of 3? We plug 3 right there into our function here. So a bracket here to hold it all in, negative, and then we have 3 to the fourth power over 4, plus a 3 to the third power, minus 2 times a 3 right there. Closing it out. Subtracted by, now let's plug in 0. And I love when 0 is going because a lot of stuff cancels. Negative, then 0 to the fourth over 4, plus 0 to the third, minus a 2 times a 0. So let's go simplify this. Well, luckily for us, this whole thing I have done for you, this part, our f of 3 simplifies to be a 3/4. Minus this whole part here, our f of 0 simplifies to be 0. And so 3/4 minus 0 is a, well, 3/4. Or 0.75, but you get it. And so our final answer here for our integral from 0 to 3 of our function is a 3/4. I hope this video was helpful for you, and if it was, please subscribe to this YouTube channel and like this video. This helps us make more free math lessons for you and for everyone else. So as always, thanks for watching.
Minute Math, when you need help you use Minute Math.